Hello kids, Shubhamangala at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina, taking standard first, subject English. Standard first, subject English. Already we have discussed male, female children. Who are males? All the boys will come under male. All the females means all the girls.
Hello?
Ladies will come under females. Yes, we have both boys and girls. Yes, father, mother. Father is what? Male. Mother is what? Female. Grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, female, grandfather, male. So in the same way we have animals also. You know, in animals also we have boy and girl. Boy animal will be there, girl animal will be there. Now dogs are there. In dogs also we have girl dog, boy dog. Yes. In animals also we have male, female. Male means boys, female means girls. So in animals also we have male, female, boys and girls. So before in previous class we have learned names of male, female for people. Now in this class we will learn male, female of animals. Male, female of animals, because in animals also we have male, female. Male means boy, female means girl. So in animals also we have boy and girl. Boy and girl. We will learn few names now. Male, female. Here all male, all boys names are given. Boy animal names, common names. See, in naming words, people names are there, animal names are there, things names are there. Yes. So now we will learn all animal names or animal common names of animal. Common names of animal. Males are given. We should write female further. We should write female further. Bull, cow. Female of bull is what? C-O-W, cow. You all know cow. Yes, children? Yes. Bull, cow. Bull is what? Boy. Bull is what? Boy. Cow is what? Female. Cow is what? Female. Girl. B-U-L-L. Bull means boy. Boy. Cow means female. Lion. Lion for male. Lion word is used for male. Lion name is used for male. Girl, for female we will use L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Lioness. What will say? Lioness. Boy means lion. Girl means lioness. In animals also we have boys and girls. In animals also we have male and female. Male and female. Male means all boys. Female means all girls. So now all boys names are given. We should write female names. We should write female names. We should write girls name. So lion, lioness. Lion means boy. Boy lion. Lioness means girl lion. Tiger, boy. Tiger, boy. Tigress, T-I-G-R-E-S-S. Tigress. Tiger, boy tiger. Tigress means girl, female. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Deer is what? Male. Deer is what? Male. Deer means boy. Now D-O-E, doe. Horse. You all know horse, yes? So in horse also we have boy horse, girl horse, male horse, female horse. So horse. Male. Horse. M-A-R-E, male. Horse is what? Male. Female of horse is what? Male. M-A-R-E, male. Fox. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox is what? Boy. For fox, female word, V-I-X-E-N, vixen. V-I-X-E-N, vixen. Yes. Fox, vixen. Fox, vixen. D-R-A-K-E, drake. D-O, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Drake, duck. You all know duck. So duck is what? Female name. Duck is what? Female name. Male name for duck is what? Drake. E-goat. E means who? Boy. E means who? Boy. E-goat. So now what we should write here? She-goat. E-goat, male. She-goat, female. S-H-E, she. G-O-A-T, goat. She-goat. C-O-C-K, cock. C-O-C-K, cock. Cock is what? Male. Hen. What? Hen is what? Female. Yes, you saw cock and hen. Yes. two different types of hens. Yes, we have two different types of hens we can see. Hen gives eggs, hen gives egg, but cock give egg? No. Here also, bull cow, cow gives milk, but bull won't give. So, cow is what? Female word. Peacock, P-N, peacock, P-E-A-H-E-N, peahen, peacock, peahen. H-E-N, peahen, peacock, peahen. These are the male names of animals. These are the female names of animals. These all are what? Male names of animals. These are what? Female names of animals. So in animals also we have male, female. Male is boy, female means girl. So in animals, like in human being, how boys and girls are there? Yes, boys are also studying in school. Girls are also studying in school. Mother, girl. Yes, father, male, boy. So in human being also we have boy, girl. In the same way in animals also we have male, female. Yes, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, brother, sister. Brother is what? Male. Sister is what? Female. In human being also we have male, female names. In animals also we have male, female names. So M-A-L-E, male. F-E-M-A-L-E, female. Open your English textbook, page number 28. English textbook, page number 28. Children, put finger, I am reading. Here see, animal names. Animal, male, female. Animal, male, female. I am reading, put your finger. First one, total 10 are there, put finger. M-A-L-E, male. F-E-M-A-L-E, female. Female means, male means all boy names. Female means all girls names. B-U-L-L, bull. C-O-W, cow. L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lioness. Lion, lioness. Say lion, lioness. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Tigress. T-I-G-R-E-S-S, tigress. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-R-E-S-S, tigress. D-E-E-R, deer. D-O-E, doe. D-E-E-R, deer. D-O-E, doe. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Boy horse is known as horse, but we will say all animals in the same way. If we see girl horse also, we will say horse only. If we see boy horse also, we will say horse only. But they have different names. Girls have different names here, boys have different names here. See, horse. Girl horse is known as mare, M-A-R-E, mare. H-O-R-S-E, horse. M-A-R-E, mare. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. V-I-X-E-N, vixen. Fox is what? Boy fox. Girl fox is known as vixen. Girl fox is known as vixen. V-I-X-E-N, vixen. D-R-A-K-E, drake. D-U-C-K, duck. You know duck. Yes, children? Female. No, female duck. Here, male duck is known as drake. Male duck is known as drake duck. H-E-G-O-A-T, goat. He goat. S-H-E, she. G-O-A-T, goat. She goat. C-O-C-K, cock. H-E-N, hen. Cock, hen. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-H-E-N, peahen. Peacock, peahen. Once again. Bull, cow. Lion, lioness. Lion, lioness. Tiger, tigress. Tiger, tigress. Deer, doe. Deer, doe. Horse, mare. Horse, mare. Fox, vixen. Fox, vixen. Drake, duck. Drake, duck. He goat, she goat. He goat, she goat. Cock, hen. Cock, hen. Peacock, peahen. Peacock, peahen. These all are boys' animal name. These all are girls' animal name. Yes. So now open your textbook, page 28. Once again we will read up column, children. These are names of people. Names of people. Male means all boy names. Female means all girls. Put finger. Father, mother. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Put finger. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. G-R-A-N-D, grand. F-A-T-H-E-R, father, grandfather. G-R-A-N-D, grand. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. A-U-N-T, aunt. B-O-Y, boy. G-I-R-N, girl. M-A-N, man. W-O-M-A-N, woman. S-O-N, son. S-O-N, son. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter. K-I-N-G, king. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. P-R-I-N-C-E, prince. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess. H-U-S-B-A-N-D, husband. W-I-F-E, wife. Come on again, put finger. Father, mother. Brother, sister. Grandfather, grandmother. Uncle, aunt. Boy, girl. Man, woman. Son, daughter. King, queen. Prince, princess. Husband, wife. Now down, animal names. Put finger. Bull, cow. Lion, lioness. Tiger, tigress. Deer, doe. Horse, mare. Fox, vixen. Drake, duck. E-goat, she-goat. Cock, hen. Peacock, peon. This full paper you should be able to read, children. Yes, page number 28. Before going to next page, once again we will read this paper. You try to read it on your own. And this you will copy in your classwork. Is it clear? Already I told you to copy this up column in your classwork. Names of people, male and female. Did you finish, children? Names of male and female should be in your classwork. Now start writing male and female of animals, animal names. These two should be in your classwork and write very neatly. Touch the lines and write round letters, neat handwriting. And you should learn this all. You should be able to say, if we say uncle, you should be able to say aunt, king, queen, son, daughter. You should be able to say all these words. So be thorough with these all words. Learn, and with the spellings you should learn all these words. Write neatly in your classwork. Already it's in your textbook. Copy from your textbook in your classwork neatly. In one paper, one bit will write. One paper you write this up one, second paper you will write this down one. Each paper, two papers you will write this. Is it clear, children? Do your work very neatly. Page number 28 should be completed in your classwork. Do your work neatly in classwork, children. Thank you.